Today we are talking about Axlebacks. They're one of the most popular exhaust modifications to your car because they're inexpensive and they change how your car sounds. So what exactly is an Axleback? Well, as the name suggests, it replaces your exhaust pipes from the axle on back. So if we take a look underneath our SCI, the mid-pipe section is that long section you see with the Y pipe, and then from there on back is your Axleback. So what are some pros and cons to Axlebacks? Why is this one of the most popular exhaust modifications? Well, one, like I said, they're inexpensive. They can range from $280 for the Blox Racing muffler deletes all the way on up to over $1,000 for the Fujitsu Authorized S. Second, they're super easy to install. You can check out one of my install videos up here if you want to watch that. They're just a couple bolts, and then you take the mufflers off the hangers, and then you can install your new ones. They also weigh less. I believe the OEM mufflers weigh in at about 14 pounds each, and muffler deletes usually weigh in at about half that. So you've got 50% weight savings there. And then another reason is the aesthetics. You can change how your exhaust tips look. So you can go with a 3-inch tip or a 4-inch tip, double wall versus single wall, different finishes like polished stainless steel, burnt titanium tips, stealth black, even carbon fiber, or you can even go with the Bosos, which have an extended tip that sticks out a little further. And then last but certainly not least, they change how your car sounds. Like I said, it gives you a louder and more aggressive exhaust tone. There's mainly two different types you can choose from. You've got the muffler deletes, which again, as the name suggests, deletes your mufflers. All these are gonna sound the same. There's only so much you can do with that short amount of piping. So the main difference is how they look. The second type is gonna be the normal Axleback with muffler. So it's gonna be louder than your stock exhaust, but not so loud that your local neighborhood Karen is gonna stop by.
Are you the owner of the orange car up
Yes,
there?
I know it's loud.
Really loud.
I know. What do you want me to do? Just tell me, what do you want me to do? Blow up the car?
Now for the cons, while an Axleback is going to make your car louder, that sometimes does lead to more drone, but really, that's it. That's all you have to worry about. And with all that being said, notice how I didn't say anything about performance. An Axleback is not gonna give you any performance gains, and you're not gonna need to tune. It's purely a mod for the sound and aesthetics. Now, one thing to note is if you happen to have the SBT exhaust, which is an option from the factory, the flanges are gonna be different on those, so you can't just go out and get any Axleback and mate it up with your SBT exhaust. You have to get one made specifically for the SBT exhaust, which right now only Remark has. So again, you have to get, if you have an SBT exhaust, you have to get a specific SBT Axleback to make it fit with your exhaust. Now we just got in some new Axlebacks from CPE, a company here in the US. These are their austenite Axleback exhausts made right here in the US. So they're a little bit more expensive, but you get some quality material for the price. You've got 4-inch dual wall stainless steel tips with 3/8-inch CNC laser cut flanges, 304 surgical grade stainless steel with 18 gauge tubing, and solid 1/2-inch thick diameter exhaust hangers with a lifetime warranty. So I'm gonna leave you guys off with some exhaust clips. I'm gonna throw both the versions, both the muffler deletes and the muffler version on our SCI to give you guys some clips. And also, if you made it this far, I'm gonna give away both of those as well. All you have to do is subscribe and comment down below with an order number and let me know what video you would like to see me do next. And that's it. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to email us or leave them in the comment section down below. I will leave the links to all the different Axlebacks as well as pricing in the description. And I will see you guys next time. Enjoy the exhaust clips.